Hindi maaantala ang pagtalakay ng Kamara sa panukalang 2027 national budget kahit pa umuusad ang impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa Senado. Ito ang tiniyak ni House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos kasabay na kahandaang tanggapin ang National Expenditure Program at simulan ang mga pagdinig kaugnay sa spending priorities ng gobyerno. Sa panayam kay Marcos, iginit nitong wala naman sa House of Representatives ang paglilitis kaya magpapatuloy ang kanilang trabaho. Mas mapagtutuunan anya ng pansin ng Kamara ang budget at ang nalalabing legislative responsibilities lalo't sa Senado naman nililitis ang pangalawang Pangulo. Umaasa rin na presidential son na maitatransmit ng ehekutibo ang panukalang budget sa lalong madaling panahon.
Well, as you know, the budget is the single and most important piece of legislation for both the House and the Senate. And you're right, we are expecting the NEP to be turned over sometime next month. Hopefully, not too late. But hopefully the NEP turnover will be sometime in August. And then we can proceed with the budget briefings.
Kasabay nito, pinagtibay ni Congressman Marcos ang commitment na ipagpapatuloy ang mga ipinatupad na reforma sa budget process.
I think marami namang ginawang APRO para manigurado that the budget process is much more transparent. The BARC, making sure that different civic groups are involved in the shaping and the analysis of the budget. So I think we will continue doing all the reforms that were already implemented last year.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Haji Aminyo ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music and News Authority.